Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to swap crypto in Coinbase Wallet safely step by step. Whether you are new to DeFi or just exploring Coinbase Wallet features, this guide will help you swap tokens easily right from your phone or computer. Let's jump in. First of all, open your Coinbase wallet app or website. Make sure you are logged in and have some crypto in your wallet like Ethereum, USDC, or any token you plan to swap. Then your verify your account. Also make sure you have a small amount of Ethereum or the native token of the network you are using. This is needed to pay gas fees. You can use Ethereum, Polygon, BNB chain, and more, but for this example, we will use Ethereum. Now tap the swap icon. Wait a minute. Here, swap button. Tap the swap icon at the bottom center of the app. You will see two fields. The token you want to swap from and token you want to swap to. Tap the first one and choose the token you have like Ethereum. Then tap the second one to choose what you want, for example USDC or DAI. You can also search for tokens by symbol or paste in the correct address if it's not listed. Next, enter the amount like that you want to swap. Coinbase Wallet will automatically show you a real-time code based on decentralized exchange liquidity. You will also see the estimated gas fee, the exchange rate, the maximum received, which protects you from price slippage. Make sure to review all the details carefully. If everything looks good, tap confirm, swipe. Now Coinbase Wallet will ask you to confirm the transaction. This is where you will see the lower total cost including the gas fee. Gas fee is very vary depending on the network. On Ethereum, they can be higher during busy times. If you are using Polygon or BNB, chain fees will be much lower. When ready, tap approve and or confirm. Your wallet will now submit the transaction to the blockchain. Once you have confirmed, the swap will process on chain. You can tap View on Explorer to track the transaction live. It usually takes between a few seconds to a couple of minutes depending on network congestions. Once complete, you will see the new tokens in your wallet Binance automatically. You can also check the recent activity tab for transaction history like Coinbase transaction history. It's look like that. Here are a few quick tips. If your swap is pending too long, it could be due to network congestion. You may need to speed it up or cancel and retry. If you see insufficient cash, make sure you have enough Ethereum or MATIC depending on the network. Always double check the slippage tolerance and token addresses, especially if you are swapping unknown tokens. So that's it. You have now learned how to swap crypto in Coinbase Wallet using DeFi directly from your mobile device. So, if you found this video helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your questions or swap experience. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more easy crypto guides. I I will see you in the next one.